Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mindful Moments with Miss Cathy. Today I'm here in my blanket fort. So if you would like, I invite you to pause the video and set up a blanket fort for yourself. I have some pillows, I borrowed some chairs. I threw my favorite blanket over the chairs. I have another pillow back here, so it's nice and comfy. Make sure it's okay with your parents for you to do that. So pause the video and take a moment to set up your fort. And when you come back, we will go on a safe space journey. Welcome to Safe Space Journey. So if you'd like, get nice and comfortable in your blanket fort. And if you didn't create a blanket fort, that's okay. You can just take a comfortable seat or perhaps lie on the floor, whatever makes you feel calm. You could get your favorite pillow, maybe a favorite stuffed animal. And if you would like, you can close your eyes, or if that doesn't work for you, you can just gaze down. And let's start taking some nice deep breaths. So pretend this is your belly. Breathe in through your nose, fill your belly up with air. So for now, you can watch the ball or gaze down. Exhale, but inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Let's do that a few more times to practice, and then I'll put this down and you can close your eyes or gaze down. So breathe in through the nose, exhale through the mouth. One more time. Fill your belly up with air as you inhale, and exhale through your mouth. Excellent. So if you'd like, closing your eyes or gazing down, you choose. Think about your favorite place. It could be a real place or an imaginary place. So perhaps you would like to use your imagination. So as you go to this place, is it outside or maybe it's someplace inside your home? You may have been there before, or it might be someplace that you're creating in your mind. If more than one place comes to your mind, try to choose just one. In this place, notice if there are any colors. What does this place look like? Are there any sounds in this place? Are you out in nature or are you in an inside place? What about some aromas? Are there any aromas that you smell in this place? Maybe you smell the sea or fresh cut grass, or maybe somebody's baking an apple pie. So there are colors. So there's something to look at. Maybe you're hearing something. Maybe you're smelling something. What does this place feel like? Is it warm? Is it cold? Is it cool? Do you feel a breeze? Or is the air still? Perhaps you brought someone or something with you. Perhaps you need to take something away to make this better. So think about all those sensory experiences: sight, sound, smell, and touch. So you have your colors, what does it look like? You have your sounds, what are you hearing? You have your aromas, what are you smelling? And then you have the feeling, what does it feel like? Are you wearing anything on your feet? Do you have shoes on or are you barefoot? So thinking about your favorite space as you breathe in through your nose, fill your belly up with air, and exhale through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose, fill your belly up with air, and exhale through your mouth. Thinking about your favorite place. Knowing that anytime you can come to your favorite place just like this. So take a few more moments thinking about your favorite place, breathing in through your nose, exhaling through your mouth. And then when you're ready, if you're gazing down, you can look up, or you can slowly begin to open your eyes. And just let's sit quietly for a moment and just to notice, be your own internal explorer. How do you feel right now? You perhaps can write in a journal how you're feeling right now, make some notes, or perhaps you want to keep your eyes closed and breathe for a few more moments. So keep taking some nice deep breaths and just notice. I hope you enjoyed this session, and I hope you continue to practice, and I hope you continue to make blanket forts. Thank you so much for joining today, and remember to be mindful and be kind to each other. Thank you. Until we meet again.